Lego Galaxy is officially open.
Charged up like a meteor shower. Checking in mission command. Probable destruction isn't in the plan. Reach for the stars, let me see your hands. Hit a dash party with a spacecraft launch.
The Junior Galaxy Explorers. Yes!
Keep it moving. Make room for adventure.
Hands, gesture. Liftoff. Hold tight. Separator swarm up ahead. Hold it steady. Grab the new ship. Quick, head for the asteroid. Light speed!
Mission briefing starting in 3, 2, 1.
They're taking it apart. They're
Well, this is an exciting time for Legoland California Resort. We're really proud today to be opening Lego Galaxy to the world for the first time. Space is what we call an evergreen sort of concept from Lego. Every time that we test it, it tests amazingly well with the market. We know families and kids really enjoy space, and the way that I think we brought it together, the storytelling, matching ride hardware with the Lego DNA, creating moments of play, I think is pretty extraordinary, and families are going to love it.
Lego Galaxy really does highlight play and play at a Legoland resort. The ride is about building, designing, customizing your ride, where families can select the ride, the craft, the nose, the tail. That really does highlight play at its best. Lego Galaxy and Galacticoaster is our single biggest investment into a Legoland resort, and our biggest investment into North America. $90 million is investment across both Legoland California and Florida, showing our commitment to the market, building on our already established businesses and growing further market share in North America.
I am very excited to be a Junior Galaxy Explorer. I'm just excited in all the sci-fi and space stuff. So this just felt natural to participate in. So this is just I just can't believe this is happening. I am very excited to be one of the first people to ride Galacticoaster. Go St. John Eagles!